What up, you amazing hackers? It's your boy, the Humble Hacker from Chi-Town, returning with another walkthrough. And today, we are doing internal from the Offensive Security Proving Grounds, because it's not what's on the outside that counts, but on the inside. So let's get to it. Alright, so first up that we always run Nmap with our -p- first, to make sure that we have all of our ports and we have our IP address. Now, I already ran this part. So here we have the following ports that are open: 53, 135, 139, 445, 3389, and 5357 of Wasabi P. What? WSDAPI. Okay, sorry. I thought really threw me off for a second there. Alright, so let's go with our Nmap scan for all these ports then. So we specify that with the P flag and then begin putting in these numbers. 135. So we see we have SMB here as well from 135 and 445. And 5389, 5357. SC for safe scripts. SV to enumerate versions. 08, I'll put all formats. A for trace route and OS detection, and our IP address. Now, I ran this one as well, so we will print this out and see what we have. So we have our DNS that's open. We have our 135 and 445 open. So we have SMB. We have an HTTP server right here. So let's begin working on this SMB here. So the first thing that I would like to do is go on a local analysis here on these ports. Let's go ahead and take note of this stuff right here. Put it in the booty pocket. Right. Reorg this. Actually, no, we won't need to do that. Simply get rid of this section right here. And we're going to enter using the Nmap scripting engine, which is going to be -- script equals. Okay. Now, let us split this screen in half and navigate to where these scripts are located, which is user share Nmap scripts. ls. Let's go ahead and grep SMB here. So as we see here, we have all these here. Now this works in one of the two ways. Either we can use these individual scripts, or we can group them by entering this here, and having a wildcard, a star character right after that. So let's copy this here. Let us place this here. Get our Nmap command there. Get rid of these. All right. Paste that there and letting it run. So what this is doing is calling the Nmap scripting engine to take every script that starts with this until it gets to the next word and scan and use all of them. So everything from here down to here. So this is not going to be included because it doesn't consist of the word -von. It's -webx here. Let me take a small sip of my water. The power of hydration. Alright, so looks like we're on to something because we have a solid cursor right here. So something should be popping up soon, hopefully. And there we go. All right. So, okay, so these are the scripts that were used, and it looks like that it found one. This right here. Okay. So let's look that up. Let's copy that. Okay. And here we are. We have exploit DB right here. All right. Let's go and use that. Let's take a peek at what it does first. Let's copy it, then look at what this does first. Okay, so let's create shellcode here. That MSF Venom uses this in order to generate the shellcode. All right, so that means that we gotta change this shellcode and then change this L host to our IP address in order to generate this shellcode here. All right, so let's pop up a new tab here, right? Okay, so let's take this entire line, put this in a new tab, get our IP address right here, replace it with this, and now we can copy this, paste this here, oh, duh, okay. Did not see that space there. Let's fix that. I think everything else is correct. There we go. So, let's see. Let's see if we have... Okay, good. We have find and replace. All right, so let's see how this looks. Wait, that letter B in there? No. Okay, so let us copy all of this here. Copy. Then let us replace this entire line. Okay, we're gonna do a find it and replace. Hang on one second. Just make sure that everything's gonna be on the up and up. Okay, all right. So find and replace. Search for just the word buff. Replace it with shell. Oh crap. Alright. That sucks a donkey's butt. So we're gonna have to do this manually. Dang you. Okay. We'll just do a quick copy and paste from all of this crap. And let's go. Come on. And okay, so let's try this with the B, if I can find that. So if I have B to replace it with just, okay, much better. There we go. Okay. Super. So we're going to save this as, and our internal exploit.py. Okay. Here we are. Now we call it by calling the Python file, putting in the IP address of the target, and running it. Super McDang dupers. So, find our exploit right there. Give it exploit permissions just in case. Okay. Python 3 exploit, and then we take the IP, put that right there, and what the flaps. Okay, all right. So let's see if it's wanting to run on Python 2.7. I can't believe it. I am in disbelief. This beat got me paying a rent, paying for trips, diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist. Okay, all right. Let's back it up and see what the hell. All right. So I obviously Python 3 don't work, and Python 2.7 don't work. So let's go with one more option here, which is going to be Metasploits. All right. Okay, dang it. Let's see what the hell we can do. So let's copy this CVE right here. Copy that. Oh, I already have my console open. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and paste that there. And what do we have? All right, we have an exploit and 2 auxiliaries. So let's use this. And by using that, we go use 0 because of its number. So this number corresponds with that. Hit enter there. Okay, so it loads it. No payload configured. Defaulted to the Windows interpreter reverse shell. What are our options? Obviously, our host is going to be one of them. So before we even do that, let's just copy this right there and set our host. So our hosts as the IP right there. Set the L host to our tunnel port, which is tunnel 0. So now our options should be full. Yes, they are. And let's run the exploit. Waiting up to 180 seconds for exploit to trigger. Okay, looks like it's already done. So what is this? Hey, breakdance. Yeah, I'm not in position to do that right now. So we got a interpreter shell open. Cool. All right. So let's get some of the commands to enumerate here. The first one, which are going to be these system commands here. So let's go with get privs. Get privs. Okay, looks like we could do a lot. So let's try see if we could do who am I. Okay, let's see who am I. Where's the other gets get UID. Okay, who are we? Okay, so we are basically root, so we ain't gotta worry about nothing. So let's just go break into a shell with 2 L's and not just 1, and let us go straight to the main C drive here. Since unlikely anything's going to be in any one of these 2 folders, so let's go run dir to see what we could look at. What is this? Nikki. I said it because these words look small. So let's see what's up in Nikki's folder here. IKY. Important. Okay, so obviously something has to be important. So let's read what's in important, and how we read files is with the type command. So important with not 1, not 2, but 3 exclamation points. So let's see what important has to say for Nikki. Try harder with 2 exclamation points. Okay, I hate your face. Let us keep it moving, going backwards to here. See what other folders are in here. We have users. Go into there and let's see what users that we have. We only have administrator, which immediately tells me that this is going to be the only folder that will have a key in it. I can't believe it. Yay! And we're back. So, desktop, network secret, and proof. High chance these would be the keys. So again, we will go ahead and hit up type network. Do we have autocomplete? No, we don't. Have to pressing tab, meaning that I have to press the entire thing. I don't feel like doing it, so I'm just going to hit backspace a couple times, and I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to hit copy, and then maybe I'm going to hit paste, and maybe I'm going to show you guys with the keys, but I don't want to. So that was fun. That was a little room called Internal from Offensive Security Proving Grounds. Thank you very much for attending me on this journey of walking through a nice beginner level methodology on going through Windows systems. I'm putting together a template walkthrough for walking both and everything like that. I'm going to be including them in the ethical hacking course that I put together with the amazing XSS Rat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future content I'm going to be posting up. Thank you very much. Again, I am Shy Ronin, and you have a great day. Peace.